Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel. This is day 68, events that occurred on 6 November 2022. So on this day, which was a Sunday, I did 45 minutes on the treadmill of walking, which included a 5-minute jog. I did lots of, with the book business, I spent hours on books. Lots of buying and then listing books. I worked with RWA skill session number 2. Got with someone and we knocked out did a simulated coaching session for the Remote Wellness Academy skill session 2. Then I went to the supermarket and picked up a prescription and bought a few items, and then I went to the gym, and that was my day. I've taken Sundays off. I'm not going in to do ACA sales on Sunday, so that's my only day for the next couple weeks until mid-November at least. I will be doing ACA sales during this open season period of the Affordable Care Act. So that was basically it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you tomorrow.